beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone, welcome back to my channel. The holidays are here and I'm very excited to give you guys a Fashion Nova holiday try on haul. I'm so excited for these pieces. We have some great velvet colors, jewel tones, rust, burgundy, red. I mean, I'm just so excited. It's like colorful and rich and delicious. Reminds me of a delicious holiday fruit cake or something. But anyway, I'm really excited to get started, so let's jump into it. Let's go. So this first piece would be absolutely gorgeous for a Christmas party. Oh my god, look at this color. It's a gorgeous emerald green color. This is called Touch by Touch satin top. I'm wearing a 2X and this is in the shade Hunter. And the amazing thing about it is that even though it's like this satiny silky material, it has a lot of stretch. Really, really pretty. This just makes me feel like I'm at a Parisian Christmas party. So cute. And I believe this comes in other colors. This next one is really, really cute. It kind of gives me like sexy Mrs. Claus vibes. This is called Suits You Well Mini Dress in the shade Burgundy, and I'm wearing a 3X. It does have a zipper in the back, but because I'm alone, I couldn't really zip it. But the entire thing is super stretchy, super comfy. It'd be really nice for a Christmas party with family or at a job when you want to look a little bit more corporate but still have something figure hugging. And this next dress is so much fun, perfect for the holiday season. It is like the quintessential over the top glam red sequin dress. And I love the 80s, 90s vibe of shoulder pads and just like the puffy little sleeves. We have something a character in Dynasty would wear. This is called Kiss Me Under the Moon mini dress in the shade red. I'm wearing a 3X. It is a bit short, so I would either recommend wearing some like nude colored tights under this, or you know, if you're that girl, do whatever you please. This is so freaking dramatic and fun. This next one is super, super sexy and yet comfy and cozy, called Akira Velvet Legging Set, and this is in the shade Burgundy, and I'm wearing a 3X. This is so much fun because if you're someone who's tired of wearing like sexy, uncomfortable dresses, you want to do something different this year. It's like pajamas. It's a burgundy velvet legging with the matching long sleeve burgundy top. To show you guys the bottom so you can see how the leggings look. They're so cozy, they're so comfortable and super. This next dress is super, super fun and sexy. I love the style of this one. It gives very like 90s vibes. I love the color. It's the most beautiful ruby burgundy red. The sequins shine so nice, and I absolutely love the back detail. I think it's so sexy. Oh, I absolutely love this. This might be the winner for my Christmas party dress because it's so cozy and comfortable, but it just looks amazing. It makes me want to go, like my body. Rest in peace, I love her. Misbehaving sequin mini dress in burgundy, and I am wearing a 3X. Not be a Gabriellaglamour try on haul without something gold, glittery, and glamorous, and I'm obsessed with this. This is called Sparks Fly Metallic Mini Dress. I'm wearing a 3X in the gold color. I will say the 3X fits a little big on me on the top. As you can see, I have a lot of space. A bit big on me, the sleeves, but it fits my lower area, which is bigger. It does have a zipper. I tried my best to zip as much as I could. I am obsessed. Oh my god. This is a great option if you have a belly. This is a great option if you're trying to hide, you know, this problem area. For me, this is a problem area, and I love the little ruche detailing. I mean, look how nice the shape it gives and how much it helps everything just look so smooth and just pretty. And now I'm feeling like this might be my party dress. I feel like a little Oscar. What do you guys think? So that is it for the haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, use the link down below to shop these looks. And as usual, I always ask, if you don't want to support by buying anything I offer or buying from my personal brands or anything like that, you can always comment, like, and share. Also, going to Fashion Nova's page and telling them how much you appreciate my content, how much you love seeing my content, and using my link when you are going to shop Fashion Nova. All those things just really help. They're free ways to support and, you know, keep me doing what I'm doing, and it helps all of us. It's like a little help cycle of love. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I love you guys so much. Stay glam. Happy holidays. Besitos. Bye.